differentiate the function with respect to 2x, x to the power of x minus 2 to the power of sin x. So let us consider y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Let me consider there is the two functions here, u is equal to x power x and v is equal to 2 to the power of sin x. So for u is equal to x to the power of x, let us apply a logarithm. Apply log on both the sides. So we have log u is equal to log of x power x. So which can be written log u is equal to x log x by using the property log a power m is equal to m times log a. Now differentiating with respect to x, so we can write 1 upon u du by dx is equal to x into differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into differentiation of x is 1. So we can write here this is 1 plus log x, that's 1 upon u du by dx. So we can write du by dx is equal to, so du by dx is equal to cross multiplying u is nothing but x to the power of x of 1 plus log x. And then now let us consider v is equal to 2 to the power of sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x, so we have dv by dx is equal to differentiation of 2 power sin x. By using the chain rule we can write 2 to the power of sin x into log 2, and again the differentiation of sin x can be taken cos x. So we have dv by dx is equal to 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. And hence we can give the answer. Since y is equal to u minus v, so dv by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So we can give up the answer. Du by dx is du by dx is x to the power of x of 1 plus log x minus, and dv by dx is 2 to the power of sin x into cos x into log 2.